Janata Dal United Manipur State Unit today asserted on the need to implement NRC with 1951 as base year before carrying out delimitation exercise in Manipur. Speaking in this regard through a video release, Vice President of Janata Dal United Manipur State Unit, Sanjoy Ahanthem, said NRC needs to be implemented in the state first in order to detect illegal immigrants who have entered Manipur from neighboring Myanmar and Bangladesh. This needs to be followed by deletion of the names of illegal immigrants from electoral roll. While also stressing on the need to introduce strong legislations in the upcoming winter session of State Assembly, Sanjoy Ahanthem urged people to oppose delimitation exercise before the detection of illegal immigrants and illegal voters through NRC.
Myanmar ki Chin state tagi mangriba population masingse chawra mi lakh kun mangarone masi ekoi Manipur Mizoram Masjid ayam bacangsin gi Assam da changsil am bayai Mizoram ki di amarom da changsil laiba illegal immigrants sing adu phadana record to hoye changsil laiba mi se kanano kayano karai da thamgani habi chi makoi akang na ba rule am gi makha da towe adu koi Manipur ki di madu su to hodre I ho ba unguarded oiba border area sida changsil aka na ngasi Manipur da mi masing kayam changi gi bage habi se Chap chana official oina sarkar gi maikai degi sumadu record tawraga sukni habise khangba ngamhodre adu iba tardi sahi kullum asi da Manipur da makoi se mi lak ta changsin mi re habisi ekoina ikhang khangnar ba pot amani aduna makoi singa se ekoina matam chana marik chumne na si tawkanda mi top sing masak khanga kanda adugi matungda mi top sing se khandokpa loiraba matungda bawda Manipur da di original native people singi right mapa mapuna thamamba madu daidu da international customary law da indigenous people singi phangpham thokpa hak singi matangda akhang hei expert singna khana nei na bire haraga madona kandu da tawraga delimitation se tawdaba yadaba leiraga su sumaina tawnana ba lakadori ba khoigi vidhan sabha ningtham mifam sidasu masi chap chana warep lauraga vidhan sabha na madi chap chaba law ama ek ama pass tawhorkanda parliament da thadana ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯌꯦꯜꯂꯣ ꯐꯨꯔꯨꯞꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯇꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤ ꯀꯜꯍꯧꯅꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕ ꯃꯊꯧ ꯇꯥꯏ